everybody. Today a lot of rain, but now it's gonna come out a nice and beautiful day. And today I want everybody to look at this dish we make it tonight. We make a pasta with a broccoli di raba, a hot Italian sausage, a plum tomato. I prepare everything over here. And I got plum tomato, I got the hot Italian sausage, broccoli di raba. Broccoli di raba, I boil a little bit, cook 2 minutes. Take it out and put in the cold water. It come out so beautiful. Okay, look at how beautiful it look. And I got onion, I cut already, and I got a garlic, and I got the pecorino cheese. And I want to use a little hot pepper, flake hot pepper too. Now to start, I put the pots right over here on the stove, and I put the gas on, and I got the pasta already boiled. This pasta, it take like 20 minutes. It's orecchiette. No, it's not fresh orecchiette, but it's dry orecchiette in the box. Okay, now to start, I pour a little oil, not too much, because I want to make a nice color for the sausage. At the same time, I bring over here everything. I got the sausage, the onion, the garlic, and I got the plum tomato. Okay, now let's start with the sausage first. And the sausage I take it out and I make like a little meatball, really small and nice. You take it out and
Can you say hello to everybody now?
hello everybody. Today in Europe, I think, I don't know, America too, day after Easter, it's a big holiday too in Italy. But now, nobody can go out. Okay, everybody was going to farm, everybody was cooking, everybody was making frittata. So marinare.
No, he took out from casing.
Yes, I'll take it out. Okay, the sausage already taken the color, not too much, but what I gotta do now, I gotta put in my onion. And I got my garlic. And we give a nice. And the smell already is so beautiful.
Can you say hello to Hilda from Norway?
Who?
Hilda.
Hello, Hilda, Norway? Hilda.
And Kathy from Australia.
E Cassie, Catti, Australia. Let me get my flake hot pepper, I don't want to forget.
This is spicy Italian sausage.
And we put a little bit more spice. Oh, that's enough. Maybe if it's too hot. This dish, it's not taking too long. One time in the past it's cooked, everything can be done. Okay, now we put the plum tomato.
Beverly, she said she made you bread. It was great.
Good, good, good. All right, now I want to put a little salt. Not too much salt, you know, the sausage is so salty. Okay. And I want to put a little black pepper.
We have some neighbor from Cold Snake.
Hello, the cold snake. We close. Lot of rain today, right? And now it's a beautiful. It come out a beautiful day now.
Smells so good.
Okay, now the pasta still you gotta cook. Okay, now the pasta still you gotta cook. Yeah, I want to say, let's do salute chin chin. And today I started this morning, I started another different puzzle. And I want to do the puzzle.
The other side.
This one, I don't want to mess up my puzzle now. And I do this one over here. This puzzle over here. E salute chin chin to everybody.
Yeah, you take the seeds out from tomatoes.
Yes. Look how beautiful look, huh?
Yep, it smells good too.
Yep.
Well, we're cooking from our house.
Città de Vagliuna. Now this is a nice, beautiful dish. When I was in Italy, we was make all the time too. Sausage and broccoli rabe with a tomato.
How many tomatoes you did over there?
The tomato was a three plum tomato. 3 plum tomato, I chop everything.
Oh, they were big. Big.
Jeez. Okay, now I want to say something. I want to speak a little bit of the dialect from my city in Orsara, Italy. Orsara che si fa? I sacci che stanno tutti in chiuso. E qua in America è la stessa cosa, non si può scegliere. Ma speriamo che questo passi subito, questa corona. Questa mi sembra una corona di Laura, ma un Laura almeno adora e poteva pure far mangiare, ma questa è una corona puzzolenta. Orsara, state d'accordo, ok? Non nascete, state vedendo. Okay, I told her everybody gotta stay in the house and don't go out.
Somebody say you need haircut. Marie, you wanna come and do it for him? We can't go no place now. Sorry.
I got a beautiful hair.
Maybe I gotta do for you.
Who?
You, me.
No, I got my wit whacker. La cosa sola.
No.
It's already 13 minutes. And now you're now.
No, I don't speak Italian. I just understand everything.
She don't speak Italian, but she capisce. Capisce. She understands everything what I say. Especially the good words. I want to say, salute Cincin. A salute, Eva.
Yeah.
Pure a te. A salute, salute.
Grazie.
Stan pronto a te, oh solo mia, stan pronto a te, oh sola. Come on, orecchiette, come on.
Joseph said, can you say the special sauce?
This sauce, it's good for this pasta. This sauce is the one just shusha, sauce.
Yeah, you can use any pasta you like.
This you can use any kind. You can use the spaghetti, linguine, parciatillo, orecchiette, cavatielle, cicatillo, bucatini, penne, frischettoon, everything. Okay, but I think the pasta, it's 15 minutes, but I want to cook the pasta a little bit with my sausage.
Janice says sorry about your sister,
Who?
Janice.
Thank you, Janice. Janice, she work with me?
Macrina.
Oh, Janice Macrina, thank you very much. Okay, now we turn the gas off on the back.
Yeah, my husband, he lost his sister not too long ago, so why somebody was saying a cousin.
Okay, now we drain the pasta. And I'll leave a little water. Okay. This apple right over here.
Michelle, she made chicken Vesuvio, it was delicious.
Who?
Michelle,
The friends?
no.
Oh, it's a really good chicken Vesuvio. The best. Okay, now we leave it cook, stay together. Okay, now, cut this. It's almost ready. Now we put the broccoli di rape. Okay, the broccoli di rape, this it's a nice crunchy. And we take a nice turn with the broccoli di rape.
Looks so good. Now this time we have orecchietti.
You see, we gotta use everything we got at home. We got the cavatielle, cicatillo, we got orecchiette, penne, spaghetti, linguine. And we don't go shop, got everything, we gotta use what we got at home.
Yes, orecchietti.
All right?
Yeah, he does Polish food also, yes.
Okay? All right. Now, we bring over here. And I got this over here. I got my dish already. I gotta use my wine. And I got the pecorino cheese. And we shred the little cheese right on the top. Oh, boy, look how beautiful. Huh?
Yep.
Okay, now I want to use orecchietta. Little broccoli. And now, little pecorino cheese on the top.
No, this is from the store pasta. But he's making his own pasta also.
Okay. Now, let's start try my broccoli di rapa. Really good. E the sausage e l'orecchietta. Okay, it's beautiful and good and delicious. The orecchietta, the broccoli di rapa, it's so good. And the hot Italian sausage and the plum tomato. The plum tomato was so beautiful, so big, and really good. It's sweet. And I want to say to everybody, salute e cin cin to everybody. And everybody take care and stay home, not go out, everything. And I want to say thank you very much. Cook this dish, it's really good. And I want to say thank you very much to everybody who give it to me good report to everybody I make this recipe. And I want to say thank you very much for the star, to everybody who support me too. Thank you. And I want to say it again next time. Salute e cin cin. Everybody, watch. Stay home with the family. Play with the kids. You got kids, play with the kids. Make something with the kids. Little pasta, little ravioli. Any kind. Kids like to stay together with the family and play together. Thank you very much. Again, thank you very much for the star. E salute e cin cin. Thank you.